different softwares that are used to process data for drones, right?
Yes.
Can you outline some of them? Also, is it possible that you can outline the softwares that are favorable and recommended for processing?
Okay, for the drones, specifically the DJI Matrice 300 RTK, the images that are gotten from its missions, we process using a software called DJI Terra. And for that software annually, you pay 600,000 Kenyan shillings. Yeah, so which is not too friendly for someone like a student who wants to try out, for example, doing their own stuff, you know. So the other thing is you can use a software called Pix4D. There are so many, Agisoft Metashape, Drone Deploy, even, for example, if you're into ArcMap, for example, ArcGIS. Yeah, they use the software they came up with. It's called Drone2Map. Yes, so it's also friendly. You can be sure to use those ones. And then, for example, when you're collecting point cloud data, you want to use software like Global Mapper, and there's also LiDAR 360. Many softwares, but those are the most recommended ones. Yeah. And you can just look them up in your computers.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
But you really need a computer that is a fast processor. Has fast processor, RAM. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So you can choose what basics of a computer: 16 GB RAM, i7.
You can use 16 GB RAM. I call i7. Yeah, and but if you're really into it, these gaming laptops are the ones. For example, Legion, HP Envy, the ones that have NVIDIA graphics cards. Yeah. Because, for example, the DJI Terra, you cannot, if your computer doesn't have an NVIDIA graphics card, you're not able to use it. Yeah. So it's something really nice, fun to do and to use, but you really need really good machines. Yeah.
Anyway, as we wind down, we are looking at the future of surveying, future of videography, and also the world at large. Such invasions, such improvements, and the way they come to Africa. How do you think that in the next 10 years, maybe in the next 20 years,
Mm-hmm.
get me right?
Yeah.
How will drones at least change activities being done in the world?
Okay.